Hey guys, this is Tony with AJV where audio joins video. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Bluesound Node 2i. Please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe to our channel so we can get a lot more material out there for you. Now right here we got a beautiful box. Great condition that it came in. Right off the bat on the top here we have a quick setup guide. Tells you to plug it in, set up with the app, and connect to your network. Alright, here's our main device here. Pretty solid. I'm going to put this off to the side for later. And it looks like we have a couple more books with warranties and information, stuff like that. And then we have our power cables, our AV connectors, and adapters. It looks like there's a little box here. Turns out nothing's in it, so we're just going to toss that off to the side. Alright, now for the good stuff. Right here we have an optical to mini adapter. Double RCA on each end. An RJ45 connector, Cat5e specification. Double RCA to 3.5mm jack. Type-C power cable, non-polarized, and a Type-A power cable, also non-polarized. Now I do appreciate the manufacturer loading this up and shipping it in a protective cloth bag. It's nice to be able to have for future moving. It shows that they really take care of their product, take pride in it. In the front you have an audio jack. On the top you got ventilation and the glass control panel. Like the nice matte finish. Now I'm going to let you guys pause right here so you can read all the information on the back. Nice wraparound side right there. It's got rubber feet on the bottom. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day.